Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to send money abroad using Azimo platform, Azimo application. This application available on 3 different platforms: Windows, Mac, Android and iOS devices. So you can download this application and do same process what exactly I'm doing here. So let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply open your Google, tap Azimo, enter. The first link is display here. Azimo send money abroad, online globally money transfer platform. 200 plus country you can send the money. Click here. Trustpilot, the application ratio is 4.7. it's quite very high and genuine platform, so you can send money very easily. So look at this, you download Play Store, App Store, Huawei App Gallery Store. So now we start. First of all, register the account. So you just simply click here in the register, additional security. As a register point of view, personal or business. If you have business, so you select the business, otherwise go with the personal. I am sending from money in Italy. Email address, so you type here your email address. Password as a case sensitive, some capital, some small letter. Enter your name, so I type here my first name, last name. If you have a referral code, so you select here and put it here. My referral code I am providing you in video description. Register, then you type here your mobile number 91962211, date of birth. So first is there, pin code of your address, complete profile. Now I start claim your 2 free transfer. So I make the transfer, change the country. As I change the country point of view, I select here Italy. As an Italian point of view, I say send money in euro. Continue. As a recipient of my name here, and then added here my Italian bank INBI number. So type here, perfect. Payment reference, home, and now here how much I am sending the money. Like simply I send money 100 euro, card or choose your payment method. So simply I select here in the card, continue. And send point of view, I just simply put it here my purpose of this money, family support. Add here my card name, just simply type here my card name, and then I am putting here my card number, expiry date, CVV code, and total I am sending 100 euro in my account. So very easily I am receiving this amount within the next 2 days in my Indian account. It's quite amazing application. You can use this application and enjoy. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.